In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Teams. Hello and welcome. If you've been looking to simplify collaboration within your team or organization, you're in the right place. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool that enhances communication, and today I'll walk you through how you can easily invite others to join your team's environment. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to visit the Microsoft Teams website. Take a moment to sign in using your account credentials. It's a straightforward process. Just enter your username and password. Remember, having a Microsoft account is a prerequisite for this step. Ensure your account is active and you have access to it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chat section. The chat feature in Teams is where most of the day-to-day interactions take place, making it the perfect starting point for inviting your colleagues or friends to collaborate. Now look for the option that says Invite to Teams. This feature allows you to generate an invitation link that you can send to the people you wish to bring into your team's environment. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to expanding your team. Up next, you'll see the option to copy. By clicking this, you're copying the invite link to your clipboard, making it ready to share. This link is essentially an all-access pass for new members to join your team's chat, so handle it with care. Finally, it's time to distribute your invite. Share the link with anyone you want to add to your Microsoft Teams. Whether you're sending it through email, text, or another messaging platform, the process is the same. The recipient simply needs to paste this link into their browser, and voila, they'll be able to chat with you and the rest of the team. A few additional tips to consider. Make sure to communicate with your new team members about any guidelines or protocols you have for using Teams. And remember, fostering a welcoming and inclusive environment goes a long way in making your new members feel at home. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently grow your Microsoft Teams environment, making collaboration easier and more effective than ever. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools. Until next time,